I often use EasyCut VX because it's 10 to 15% faster compared to usual productivity wires and still gives good surface quality and accuracy. It's also fully compatible with standard technologies and machine functionalities, so I don't have to change anything on the machine. On top of that, I also like it because it keeps the wire guides clean and produces no dust and does not wear out too much my current pickups.